Life has a way of tossing us around, and life has a way of bringing us down. And life can be hard. I know you know about that. Sometimes, and life can be a struggle undefined. Oh, but God has a way of bringing peace. Oh, yes, it does. Like no other, I can say no other power that I know, no other power that I know, no other power that I know. God He has a way, He has a way that no other power can match. There is no other peace that I know. There's no other peace that can soothe a troubled mind. It can bring joy, passing all understanding, and it can bring joy to you and me. Oh, there is no one else I can think of that can bring such serene powers to a troubled thing. But there is just one thing that we must do. Oh, you must you must